All right, back with another mod for the C8. So this one is an interior piece. I'll show you in a second. So far I've done carbon fiber, splitter, side skirts, engine cover, a couple other things, but this piece is for the interior and it is from EOS. So as you can see from the thumbnail, what I'm talking about are the Waterfall console cover there and the speaker cover right above it. So the piece right between the seats is what we're covering in carbon fiber. And these are the carbon fiber covers from Extreme Online Store. I'm going to show you guys a few different angles of the product, show you how to place it on the car, and then I will film a before and after.